everyone. The stock market has lost nearly $1 trillion this past week. You thought the cryptocurrency market got hit, where the market cap on CoinMarketCap went from like over 800 billion to like 400 billion? 945 billion. Hey, Whitestone, 945 billion, not quite 1 trillion. 511 billion on Friday alone. Hey, how's it going, Rob? How you doing? 511 billion on Friday alone. S&P fell 3.85. Thank you for retweeting. I appreciate it. S&P fell 3.85%. So today was a really big deal. If you guys have not followed Rob, how are you doing, man? This is just going to be a quick scope, but if you haven't followed Rob, he does the Tales from the Cryptocurrency. You got to definitely check it out. As you can see, he invited a lot of followers. He has a lot of followers that watch his Tales from the Crypto, so you definitely got to check it out. He's all over Twitter, Periscope, everything, as you can see from all the invites. Doing well, amazed at the stock activity. Yeah, I mean, if you're selling short at the stock market today, you did really well. It was one of only about 6 days like this, right? That we saw ever with that many people. Big boy welcome. And even 600 plus, this was the 9th time in history that's ever been done. So with this particular one at around 666, it's about the 6th largest ever for a drop. Now, the point drop is not the same thing, right? I mean, the point drop is based on a far higher number of the 26,000 or 27,000 that we're at now. So that point drop is not the same as back in the day in like 2008 when we saw a 777 point drop. In fact, I just read a Jim Cramer article that said, I remember back in, I don't know if it was 87 or what, he goes, $500 drop in one day was actually a market crash. Historical stock cycles happening, the big, Yeah, I like cycles for whatever reason. The analytic part of me likes the cycles. What I was going to say is it sounds like the interest rates going up had a lot to do with it, and the job reports being really high was allowing them to put the interest rates up. And the Fed chairperson lady is out today, and the new one's being sworn in on Monday, so that was really big news as well. Yeah, the 1920s chart, as far as like 1929 or right before that, there's a lot of similarities and stuff from history on some of this stuff, isn't there? I even compare a lot to the 2007-2008 one. I read Zero Hedge a lot. It's pretty interesting stuff. Thank you for all the hearts. I really appreciate it, Rob. And I'll have to catch some of your live ones that you're doing as well. You talk about some of the deep subjects that I like as well. So I studied sometimes on the quantum mechanics. I was saying definitely check out that movie, What the Bleep Do We Know? Great movie. And then you sent that bacteria tattoo thing. I looked at that. It was kind of interesting. It was kind of different. Beginning of the end for the global markets, you think, or what? Yeah, definitely watch that one. You'll like it. There's an extended version that's about 2.5 hours long. So, all right, well, I'm going to be back on in just a bit. I'm just going to go check out a couple other headlines and see a little bit more about what's going on with today.